I might be thinking about somebody else I was talking to. I spent a lot of money when I was down there. I got a leather cap from Italy or 4,000, go ahead.
Roger, oh, cracking stuff, mate. No, as I say, I got that monoband aerial, as you know. I got a load of wire and a load of cable and stuff. And I'll let you say, don't mention to your lad. Yeah, we stopped at Burger King, Mike. Awesome.
Burger King adverts you get now and again on telly, like, well, we used to have one in Morecambe, and to be honest with you, I quite liked it, but sometimes it's a bloody crap, Dave, you know, I'll be careful to you, they didn't look anything like the bloody burger on the pictures, and the bloody lettuce sometimes was, you know what I mean, really been there for about 3 weeks, and then sometimes burgers were a bit cold, but when they got it right, you know, when they got the bloody job right, I really enjoyed Burger King, but my last fellow said to me the day, he said, oh, it's a little Burger King, blah, blah, blah. You know, there was one of these big burgers, you know, a lamb burger with meat or something, he was saying, in a crusty bread roll or something like that. And he said, oh, I'd like to try that, Dad. I said, yeah, mate. I said, but we haven't got a Burger King anymore. I said, there we are. I said, services and all that turned around. He said, yeah, it's about £8 each time we ripped you off there, you know.
Roger, yeah, well, I think we spent a bit at Burger King when we went. I think it cost me about £10, mate, but I enjoyed it. I'm just going to stop that video.